What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the Market Overview, guys. Today is Sunday. First up, hope you had an amazing and blessed Sunday. Hope you got to spend it with your family at church, whatever you do. Hope you had a great day doing it. But it is Sunday, it means we need to prep for the week. If you're trying to start prepping for your week on a Monday, you're a day behind. Winners start prepping on a Sunday to get you off on the right foot going into Monday morning, early morning Monday, already prepped, already ready to go. That's what we're here to do today, guys. So if you're new to the channel, appreciate you. Hit the like and subscribe. Keep following along. Basically a free market overview, a free game plan, pretty much a buy and sell level on ES, SPY, that's S&P 500, cash ETF. QQQ is tech, and then IWM as well. Gives you a full, basically, surface level overview of what's going on in the market, what you can expect short term, and things you should be looking at to trade effectively in the broader market. So without further ado, guys, how we always start out is let's look at the economic data coming out tomorrow. Not a lot of economic data tomorrow, just some wholesale inventories, but we have three Fed speakers, right? Barr, Daly, and Mester, all come out within the first 2 hours of the market open. So know that, right? So know that it's not going to be like Powell talking where there might be some big moves after Powell, or like headline bombs where he says certain things, he doesn't say certain things, whatever. But if these guys are talking, I call them knuckleheads. They say some stupid shit sometimes, and the market reacts. It could react. So you just need to know if you're in anything short dated, like let's say you're taking a zero date on a Monday expire. While they're talking, probably want to be in and out of that as fast as possible. I would think even if they weren't talking, probably want to be in and out as fast as possible as well, right? Because everything's working against you on a zero date. So without further further more explanation to that, just look out for these guys talking. I have no idea how long they're going to be speaking for either, right? So just know after 30 minutes into the market open, for the next hour and a half, probably you can have one of these knuckleheads probably say something stupid. So just be ready for a Tuesday. Not really anything. And NFIB optimism index comes out. That comes out pre-market, way before pre-market. Then on to Wednesday, that's the big day. CPI. It's core consumer price index. So it's going to see how much it costs us to do shit. Is it still up? Is it down? Is it equal? Is it flat? I don't know. I don't care. All I know is it's still pretty expensive to buy shit. We'll see how the market reacts to that. That comes out pre-market. That's 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is 1 hour before the market opens. So if you're holding anything overnight from Tuesday to Wednesday that's short dated, just know that could easily go really well for you or very badly for you, right? There will more than likely be a small gap, to possibly a big gap up or down on the CPI data. Then right after the CPI next day, hit you right back in the face with the PPI and the jobless claims. We saw the last week's jobless claims had some pretty big movement on it. Okay, pretty big movement. Also, the NFP numbers did as well. So Wednesday to Thursday, things are going to get interesting. Jobless claims PPI come 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we'll know that as well. And then on to Friday, we'll have our usual University of Michigan inflation expectation, consumer sentiment. Also, some import price index comes out about an hour before that. Consumer sentiment data is 30 minutes in. Okay, on to the chart, guys. Always want to just get you right between the eyeballs, get you what you need, get you out. As we can see, we had that level 44.20 that we wanted to bounce from. We got it. We ran up. We had a complete sell-off on Friday, right? Complete sell-off on Friday. So what does that leave us for tomorrow? Well, tomorrow, now that we can see where the low of the day was last Friday, was 44.30 area. So I'm going to be watching this 44.30 to 44.40 right in here, right? Let's see if we can get a higher low, or we can just maybe hold the line here overnight, right? Basing out, it could be an opportunity for us to try back to go higher again. Okay, I'm going to remove this little box there for you guys, but we'll look here. We don't really want any lower than 44.20 to look for the long side here, only because if we do, it'll spar about a 20-point further pullback. I do think this 4,400, 4,410, like we can see here, we had a little supply demand flip in here. So I'd want to see if this could work the same. I take the long here at 4,400, 4,410. If not, we'll look for us getting back above 4,450 is really going to open up 4,470, 4,485 above there. If we get back above 4,475, which I believe was Friday's high here. Yeah, it's about Friday high, about 30 minutes into the market open. That was Friday's high. So we'll really need to get above that, or we'll just need to make a higher low in here above 44.30 to 44.40, ideally above 44.40. If not, watch the bounce at 44.20, but I do like the long, deeper, a little bit more of a deeper pullback underneath 44.40, about 20 points down to 4,400. I like that area for a long as well. Let's look at SPY. What is going on with SPY? This S&P 500 cash ETF. As we can see, right down to this 436.37 area, we had a bounce. Okay, we had the double bottom here on Friday, 438.50. We knew this was an older gap that we had from a while back. That's why it's highlighted. So let's see. I'm going to remove that. Let's see if this level can hold here, 438.25, call it, making a higher low again. If not, we can get a deeper pullback, 437, 436.50, but really I think this 434.50 to 435 would be a better spot, more high probability long in my opinion. If we do dip underneath this 436.50 area, as we can see, we have some balance here. So I don't know. I do think a deeper pullback under 436.50 though, underneath this last Thursday low. Okay, but if not, if we hold this 438, 439, I have no idea where we're going to open up to. If this holds, okay, look to take the long on any setup that you see. As long as it holds, you can come up here and target 442.50, 442.50. Really Friday's high. Anything above that, 444 opens up 448 to the upside. So I like the break and hold of 448. I like the holding of 438.50, 438.25. If not, I'd really look at this long at 435. QQQ, what's going on with the Qs? This is tech, baby. Tech. As we can see, double bottom Friday again. Most, Qs did that, or excuse me, SPY did that. Qs did that. Qs is very much better level to level than our SPY chart is, in my opinion. Qs has been a much cleaner trade. I mean, look at right down to this 430, 435 or 46. Excuse me. This is not in the 400s. This is QQQ. 365 level from Thursday, bounce hold right to 368, right to 368. Then we said if 368 breaks, was going to open up for 370, went right up to 370, went down to the double bottom, held 366.50, which was the low of the day. So let's see. Does 366.50 or 365 hold? If 365 goes, we have a deeper pullback down here to 362 than 360. I like 362 to 360. I like both of those levels for a long. Or we hold above 366.50, creating that higher low. Okay, and we try to head back higher, take out 370 to the upside, would open up 372, 375, 378 above there. IWM, what's going on with Russell small cap or Russell 2000 small caps? Looks like, because we had no sell there at the end of the day, maybe there's a slight rotation into IWM, into the small caps on Friday, right? Maybe does IWM maybe, flag out here, right? Holding some of these crucial 182, 184 levels, and we get SPY and Qs. We get a rotation back into them on Monday. I don't know. I got no idea. Okay, all I know is this. We want to see this 184 level hold. We knew it was a big level, right? It was a breakdown level. We got underneath it. Okay, then we got back above it on Friday. So we want to see 182 hold. If that holds, it'll show a higher low as well. Or we could take out this 186.50. It opens up 189, 192 above there. If this 182.50 fails, last line of defense has to be this 180, call it 180.50, as you can see back this way. But then 179.50 has to hold. This was the top of that balance that we spent for however many months this was in, right? This is the top of the balance area that has to hold. So we're kind of building out this new little balance area in here, right? So we want to see 179 to 180.50 hold on any pullbacks into it. I do think it will. 184, I'd be looking, that'd be the first area I'd be looking for the long, or the break of 169, 186.50. So 184 hold, 186.50 opens up 189 above there. And that's it, guys. That's all I got for you. Hope, like I said, you're having an amazing Monday. Hey, hit the like, hit the subscribe, comment if you like. Let me know if I did bad. Maybe you don't know if let me know if I did bad. Let me know if I did good though. No, I'm kidding. If I did bad, let me know. Let me know what I could work on. If you think I cuss too much, I don't give a fuck. Anyway, guys, I always end the video like this. You got to wake up early, get your levels right, and of course, don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.